Hello everyone, welcome back to Cheesy and Family's channel. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you all for watching my videos always. I appreciate each and every one of you a lot. And if you are new, you are highly welcome. Please don't hesitate to subscribe, be a part of my family. Okay, in today's video guys, I'll be showing you how to make shawarma, but this time I'm gonna be using beef steak. Okay, so stay tuned, let's dive into it. So the first thing I'll be doing is to make my piadina. This is the piadina that I'm gonna use, is to make it hot. Okay, these are the steak that I'll be using to make this shawarma. I will go ahead and season it with black pepper and salt. So I'll be putting 2 spoons of olive oil, and I'm gonna cook the steak for about 5 minutes until it's done. So I'm done frying my steak, so I will go ahead and put my onions and fry it a little bit before I start putting all the veggies, the carrots, the cabbage and the rest. Okay, so stay tuned. So right now I'll be putting my cabbage, but after putting the cabbage, I'm not gonna allow it to cook until it's soft. I'm gonna make it to be crunchy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my seasoning. Okay, right now I'll be mixing my mayonnaise. I'll be putting black pepper, dried pepper, lemon. So I'm gonna mix the main thing that will make the shawarma taste so yummy and sweet. Okay. So I'll be putting 2 spoons of juiced lemon, black pepper, dry pepper, then I'm gonna mix it very well. Okay, I'll be putting the cabbage and carrots inside the mixed mayonnaise. So I'll be adding 2 spoons of extra virgin olive oil. So right now I will go ahead and fold the shawarma the way I want it. My kids love the shawarma very well. So thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you a lot. Please give this video a big thumbs up and see you next time in my next video. Bye for now.